Okie dokie, before we do our maths challenge today, we have to learn all about coins. We have done a little bit about this at school already, so you already know a tiny bit. But just to recap, we are going to be learning about 1p, which looks like this. It's a little round brown coin or copper coin, okay? They do have little numbers on the bottom, some of them, but we don't need to look at the numbers because we know by looking at their colour and their shape what they are. 1p, okay? And then we've got a 2p, which is a bigger round brown coin. Okay, let's look at the 1 and the 2. The 1 is much smaller, can you see? The 2p is worth more than the 1p. Then we have a very pretty little coin, the 5p, which is a silver coin, okay? It's much smaller than the 2p, look, and it's silver. And finally today we have a 10p, which is a big silver coin, much bigger than the 5p. The 10p is worth more than a 5p. Do you think you can help me to count all of the coins that I've got? Should we have a go? First of all, let's count the pennies, the little brown ones, okay? That's the top row, these ones here. They are worth 1, so we have to count in ones. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have got 20 1p coins. 20 is our number of the week. Super, we've made it. Next, let's have a go at counting our 2p's. This time we have to count in twos. A little bit trickier. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We have 20p again. But look, there are lots of 1p's and only half of the 2p's. That must mean the 2p's are worth more, okay? Oh, this one's the tricky one. We get stuck with this one sometimes. Our 5p's, our little silver coins. There's 5p's in each one of these, okay? Let's count. Are you ready? You can throw me 5s while we do it. High fives. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. We've got 50p worth of 5p coins. Super. Let's have a go at our last one. We like this one. This is our 10p's. So we're going to count in tens. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100p is the same as £1. Super counting, everybody. Now, I went to the shop and I bought a sweet, but I need you to help me work out how much my sweet cost. Are you ready? Let's take a look. Here it is. It's a little round white sweet. Now, what coin did I use? Which coins did I use to pay for my little white sweet? Which ones are these? That's right, they are 1p's. So I used 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1 to make my sweets. Let's write that underneath. One line, add a 1 line, add 1, add 1, add 1. Now we need to add up all of these together to work out how much my sweet cost. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My sweet cost me 5p. Fantastic adding, everybody. Then I was still feeling a little bit peckish, so I went back to the shops and bought another sweet, a brown stripy sweet. Now, which coins did I use to buy this sweetie? There's one little one and two bigger ones. Good job. One 1p and two 2p's. So this time, instead of just putting one little line, a 2p has 2 pennies in there. So we need to do 2 lines. And what's this one? Another 2p, another 2 lines. And how about this one here? That's just 1 penny, isn't it? Right, shall we count all together and see how much my brown stripy sweet cost? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It costs 5p. The same as my white sweet. But look how we can use different coins to make the same amount. How clever is that? Fantastic. Shall we do one more super challenge? Okay. Then Miss Hollinshead was a bit greedy and I wasn't feeling that healthy. So I went back to the shop and I bought another sweet. A green cuboid sweet. Oh my goodness me. Now, which coins did I use to buy my green cuboid sweet? What is this one here? Great work. It's a 5p. And how about this one? Another silver 5p. Super. And the last one? A 1p. Fantastic. Now this is going to be very tricky because there are 5 pennies in the 5p. So we need to draw 5 little lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. And another 5p. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. And our last one is just a 1p, isn't it? Okay, let's see if we can add up all of those lines and see how much my green cuboid sweet cost me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one was more expensive. It was 11p. Fantastic. Or, if you think you can have a go without drawing the lines, we could do it like this. 5 add 5 or double 5 is 10. 10 add 1 more is 11. Fantastic. Now you can have a go and you can use real coins, but if you're using real coins, ask your mummy or daddy if they can put them in a big bowl of soapy hot water to get all the germs off them before you play with them, and make sure you don't put them in your mouth because that could be very, very dangerous. When you've played with them, put them all back and go and wash your hands as quickly as you can to get all the germs off, because coins are passed around by lots of different people, so there might be lots of different germs on them. Super. Have a lovely time playing with money and buying lots of things from the shop.